Today, I wanted to do like an oddity or a curiosities. So this is from our artist collab glitter fingers plate, which is M159. I know it's just really strange. It kind of looks like eyeballs and muscles. And I'm gonna do this anaglyph technique, and it's super easy. And there you go. There's like our anaglyph eyeball. What do you guys think? So let's kind of go in the paranormal theme here. This is plate M315. And so I want to make a start kind of building my scenery. And I'm going to be using this build ghost area. So you can add like ghost faces and make your own ghostly thing. And I'll also be stamping on some of these elements here too. You guys can see I laid down the grass and created like a little tree with my clouds and stuff. So I'm gonna go in with my little ghost and do a little bit of reverse stamping here. There you go, there's our ghost, but I am not done yet. So I feel like it needs some stuff on the ground. So I'm actually gonna take some elements from down here. I'm gonna stamp that onto the grass and kind of make it look like a cemetery. And there you go. My ghost going through the cemetery. I guess I'm leaving the most complicated for the very end. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually take off the Frankenstein because I am going to color in the background. So I have my favorite Monarch Dream, and now I'm going to pick up Frankenstein. So now we're gonna go ahead and color him. I have Greyjoy here, which is like a slightly darker gray. I think we're good. Let's commit and lay that down. There you go. And there you go. Oh gosh, very cool. But yeah, very, very interesting.